You've probably seen the signs, "We buy houses for cash," or "Sell fast, no fees." They're everywhere. And if you're thinking about selling your house in Quincy, the idea of a quick cash offer can sound really appealing. No showings, no repairs, no waiting. But is selling your home for cash actually a smart move or a decision you might regret? I'm Jackie Weisenburger, full-time realtor here in Quincy with Happel, and today we're diving into the truth behind cash offers, when they make sense, when they don't, and how to protect yourself in the process. Let's start with the basics. A cash buyer simply means they're not relying on a mortgage. They have the funds ready to go, which can make the process faster and less complicated. In some cases, that's a huge advantage. If you're in a tough situation, maybe you're facing foreclosure, dealing with an estate, relocating quickly, or just don't want to do any repairs, a cash sale can be a lifesaver. Here in Quincy, I've seen sellers benefit from cash deals when timing is tight or when a property needs too much work to pass a traditional inspection. Some buyers are investors who specialize in homes that need TLC. They buy as is, close fast, and move on. But here's the catch. Convenience comes at a cost. Most cash buyers, especially the we buy houses kind, aren't looking to pay top dollar. Their offers are often 20-30% below market value, sometimes more. That's how they make money. They buy low, fix up, and resell for a profit. If you have equity to spare, or you truly need speed over price, that might be okay. But for many sellers, losing out on tens of thousands of dollars just isn't worth the convenience. The other thing to watch for? Not all cash buyers are created equal. Some are local, reputable investors. Others are out-of-town companies using flashy marketing and fine print to make offers that sound great, until you read the details. I've seen contracts with hidden fees, no inspection clauses, and timelines that don't match what the seller was told up front. That's why I always recommend this. Before you accept any cash offer, get a second opinion. Even if you don't want to list your home traditionally, I can run a market analysis for you and show you what your home is really worth in today's Quincy market. Sometimes that cash offer isn't so great once you see the numbers side by side. And don't forget, cash doesn't always mean guaranteed. I've had sellers call me in a panic because a cash buyer backed out at the last minute. There's no bank involved, but that doesn't mean the buyer can't change their mind or walk away if the deal doesn't serve them. Now, if you're thinking, Jackie, what would you do if this were your house? I'll tell you, I'd weigh 3 things: timing, condition, and net return. Do I need to sell quickly? Does my house need major repairs I can't or don't want to do? Am I okay leaving money on the table to avoid the hassle? If all 3 are yes, then a cash offer could make sense, but only if it's from a trusted buyer and the terms are clean. If even one of those is a no, then I'd at least explore listing it. I help sellers get strong offers, often with quick closing timelines, even without doing major updates. Sometimes we market to both investor and retail buyers at the same time and let the market decide. Bottom line, selling your house for cash can be the right move, but it can also be the wrong one. It all depends on your situation and your goals. My job is to help you see all your options clearly so you can make the choice that's best for you. If you've received a cash offer or you're curious what your home could sell for on the open market, call me. I'll give you a confidential, no-pressure review of your options so you can make a smart move, not a rushed one. I'm Jackie Weisenburger with Happel here in Quincy, and I'm here to help you sell with confidence, whether that's for cash or full market value.